This is Death Clutch real quick. I'm A Gibson, also known as Gibby. Here he is. We're gonna go check on Dyson. He's been uploading videos for the past 30 minutes now. So we're gonna go check on him. Hey buddy, how's the video how's the videos going?
Good.
Dude, what are you doing?
Nothing. I'm just eating my sunburn skin.
That is disgusting, dude.
What?
It's like eating.
Why are you eating your own skin?
Because it's nutritious.
Now it can cause cancer, right?
Sure.
And herpes.
Sure.
Dude, why would it be eating his own skin? You're not even done with the video that we just made.
Here, want a piece?
No, get that thing away, man.
Okay.
Gosh.
You're like a freaking lobster.
Death Clutch. Skin eating monster. Macho Miracle.
Chubby.
Chubbs.
Yep.
Gibby, Gibson. Don't really give a crap.
Oh,
So. Well, this is my dog Lily.
She's fat.
Yeah, she's a nice dog, but she gets annoying.
Yeah.
Quit eating your skin, dude. We're supposed to be uploading videos, and you're worried about eating your skin.
You're gonna get mono.
Okay.
Okay.
Do you not even care?
Having mono is like being bored for a year, so.
Oh yeah, it is.
So. Who really matters? I'm bored all year long. I mean, look who I'm hanging out with.
Oh yeah, you're funny.
Alright, I'm out. Go away. Turn it off. I don't want to be on here anymore.